it's Rachel with WTI. If you're looking for a tea that has a ton of health benefits, you need to try the Dandelion leaf and root tea. This is by Traditional Medicinals. It's an organic tea. I love it. I feel really good when I drink it. I know that dandelion is good for liver health. And I like that it comes in these little box, and each tea bag is individually wrapped, so it keeps it nice and fresh.
So each tea bag has a cute little inspirational quote on it, which just makes it, something extra when you're having your tea, something extra to enjoy. So what I'll do when I'm steeping my tea, I just follow the instructions, which is pour some boiling water, around a cup or so, in with the tea bag, and I just let it brew for about 10 minutes. It has a nice, mild, sweet flavor, and yeah, I do drink it because I know it's good for me, but I enjoy the flavor. I find it nice, and I like that it's caffeine-free, great before bedtime. So if you're looking for a healthy tea, give the dandelion tea a try. I love it, and that's my point of view.